वेलकम टू CMG क्रिप्टो मनी गुरु में आपका स्वागत है दोस्तों। एंड मैं आज लेट उठा हूँ। आई जस्ट वेक अप वेरी लेट टुडे। सो आज आपको एक कॉइन ऑफ द डे बताना है। इट्स अ टेल कॉइन। राइट नाउ ये तो बहुत ही बढ़ चुका है। इट्स वेरी हाई राइट नाउ। एंड टेल कॉइन इज बेस्ड ऑन telecom industry, and you can see the chart here when it launched on 2018, and this was the price at that time. During this time, this was the price, and now you can see what is the price right now in this bull run. It is not stopping and going high and high and high. Right now it's more than 3.5 cent. And what gain it achieved within last few days, you can see. And now after this I'm going to tell you a good coin which may give you similar story. You can see the Telcoin is right now at 77. Market cap this is, and 425% gain in last 7 days, and last 24 hours its gain is 36.73% Telcoin. And when it was in this phase, nobody can imagine what this coin will do in future. This is the bear phase. So if anybody invested only $1,000 during this phase, and now what you can say what he made, 425% gain. Now you can imagine what a gain a person. And similar, I'm going to tell you a coin about coin of the day, coin of the future. But before that, please, I would like to request you, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, make a good comment, share this video with your friends on Facebook and WhatsApp, so they can also know about the latest cryptocurrency investment. Every day they can be updated. And but before that, now we are going to market is right now at 2.39 trillion. Bitcoin price is 56,881, and BTC market dominance is 44.4% right now. Ethereum is right now 3,556. Binance Coin is 634. Dogecoin 60 cent. XRP 1.68. As I told you, now it is it will be the bull run for altcoin. So go for altcoin. The coins which are approximately less than $10 market cap, and if you can get the coins which have market cap less than 5 billion market cap, then that will be good. And if like say you can look for coins which have a market cap of less than 10 billion. And Cardano is also good investment, will be, but already it is very high right now. And VeChain is good investment. As I told you 2 days ago, it was around 19 cent, and right now it is around 22 cent. It is good investment and backed by real business, real concept, a good service. Similar, crypto.com is also a good investment. Coin is at 18 cent, and it's a cryptocurrency exchange. Matic Polygon is also a good investment. NEM is also a good investment. As I told you, when it was around at 31 cent, I told you that if you want to invest and want to gain money, then go for it. Chiliz is good investment. Zill is also very good investment. And I always recommend that always do your own research first. Then second, please stick with your coin and hold it for a long time. Like you can see the result of Telcoin. Those who invested during this bear phase at this time, how much gain they have right now. So similar, I'm going to tell you a coin. It is already very high, but you can get it for your future. But it is my request, do your own research and do not trade, just invest for long time money making. This is PAC coin. It is a blockchain, mineable, POS, decentralized exchange, PAC protocol. Now we are going to its website, Master of Nodes. Okay, download free wallet they have, and our network, your rules, everything. It's a blockchain, and I'm holding more than 3 million coins, and I entered in this coin at this time, near about at this time. Yes, you can say near about maybe at this time. Yes, in 19, I forget the exact time, but near about at this time I entered. I think in 2019 I entered at this time, and right now you can see the how high it is. But this coin will create history in future, but I can't predict when, but it will create history. And as I think this coin will go to near about $2. So invest your spare money in this coin. Whenever you feel that you can invest, or your price match or your price come down, if it come down, then invest in this, and this will go to $2. It will create a similar story, similar gains like this, like Telcoin, 425%. So this is the coin of the day, and please hit the bell icon, share this video, and I'm going to take my bath, because today I wake up very late in the morning, and I was researching some coins for all of you, and because I always believe in research before making and recommending or telling you about any coin. I do my own research. I study their concept, I study their white paper, I study about them, I study their everything, then I try to give you the information about that coin. So this is the coin of the day, coin of the future. PAC is a very will be a very good investment for you. And I told you I entered in I think 2019. I forgot the exact time, but near about this time. And how already I am in very good gain right now. So okay, please share this video, hit the bell icon, and we are in a bull run, but now the bull run will be for altcoins. So be prepared, choose your altcoins and stay invested in them for a long time. Do not come to this market for short time. If you are planning to make money in short time, then do not come, because you will lose your money. Every investment will give you good money only when you come for a long time. Either that is stock market, either that is cryptocurrency market, that either that is property market or any other business, but always come for a long time. Okay, bye bye, namaskar, sat sri akal.